Are you ready to turn your creativity into cash? Learn how to create stunning 3D animations using free AI Tools and ChatGPT and start earning money today. First things first, we should have a story. Creating your story. Use a clear and specific prompt to guide ChatGPT. For our video, we're asking it to craft a unique narrative about a small boy who rode bike in scary forbidden forest. So we'll type that into the prompt box and hit enter. Remember, you can always edit and customize the story to make it your own. Adding your personal touch is what sets your content apart. Once you've entered your prompt, ChatGPT will start generating text based on that prompt. It may take a few seconds for the text to appear, but once it does, you'll have a story to work with. Now that you have a story, it's time to edit it and make it your own. You read it and make necessary change the characters, or even change the setting. The possibilities are endless. After that, the next step is to find image for the story. We are going to use ChatGPT also. Break down the story into scenes and suggest image for each. Make sure it eye-catching and interesting. For our animated YouTube video, and hit enter. After generating the suggest image for each scene, the next step is find those images. Before we continue, you can 1 second to hit subscribe button and like this video to help the channel to create more content like this. We are going to use Leonard AI to create image for our story. Search Leonard AI and create account with email and username. Now launch the app. This dashboard, go to User Tool and click on AI Image Generation. Go to Fine-Tune Model and select 3D Animation Style. Go to Next box and select Anime and go to Aspect Ratio, which is box above guidance scale. Select 16:9. Now got back the suggested image on ChatGPT. Copy description of first scene and paste into AI Image Generation box and add instruction to the image. After click on Generate. It may few seconds to appear. Once finished, you have image to use on the story. Click on each image view and make changes to the if necessary. After click on Download button located at the bottom of the image. Repeat the process for each scene. Let's go to the next step, which is to animate our image. The AI tools you can use. 1. Go to the Pika Labs website and click on Join Beta. Write username and continue other sign-up process. 2. Once you have signed up, log in to your account. 3. Move down to Creations title. Select Generate. Let's type the instructions. Type / then select Create and put command after upload image. Or choose type / and select Animate, then upload the image to animate. It may take few seconds to load, but once it finished loading, check the animation. 4. You rewrite the instruction to make necessary change you need to your story. Pika Labs offers a variety of animation styles to your story. 7. Preview your video to make sure it looks the way you want it to. 8. Once you are satisfied with your video, download it to your computer. Fourth step is generate voice for our story. 11 Labs is mostly wider used, but personal I prefer Play It. We are going to use Play. Go to HOTS, Play. Select Generate a Voice for free. You have to create account and fill the necessary data. After you will get free account. Make sure you did not close the ChatGPT tab where there is our story. Go back to ChatGPT and copy the story, then paste them into Play It tab. And click on Generate All Paragraph. It will take few seconds. After click on Export, you can download single paragraph or download all paragraph together. Final step is to edit our story. We are going to use CapCut, which is a free mobile video editing app and software that allows users to create and edit videos with various features and effects without watermark. Choose the aspect ratio for your video, such as 16:9 for landscape or 9:16 for portrait. Import your video clips and photos by tapping on the Import button. You can drag and drop your clips and photos onto the timeline in the order you want them to appear. Add transitions between your clips by tapping on the Transition button and selecting a transition effect. Add text and stickers to your video by tapping on the text and sticker buttons and selecting the desired options. Apply filters and effects to your video by tapping on the filter and effect buttons and selecting the desired options. Preview your video by tapping on the play button. Export your video by tapping on the export button and selecting the desired resolution and quality. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and comment.